Hi, I'm Apurva and welcome to my series 100 Days, 100 Problems, where I take real challenges from the PowerApps community and turn them into working solutions. Let's start by reading our today's problem. I'm creating an app with input labels. When a user hits submit, it will patch these records to a SharePoint list. I also want to make a gallery and do a filter so the user can see its own submitted history. Is there an ID field specific to that user in the SharePoint list so that I can use the filter query in SharePoint? My goal is to have a page for them so they can see what they submitted. For this, let's start by creating a SharePoint list. I'm going to create a random task list which will have task name, task description, and its status. Now let's connect our Power Apps with the SharePoint list we just created. Now since the user is using input labels, I'm going to add a few input labels and a drop down so we can patch these records to the SharePoint list. Finally, we'll need a button to submit. We'll use patch function to add the records to the SharePoint list. We'll use the data source first and then we will take the value that is in the input labels and the drop down. Now let's test it. Once I've submitted the record, I'm going to show how to see whether this record was submitted by me. So SharePoint has an inbuilt column which is called as created by, which shows which user has submitted this record. As you can see, it displays my name. Finally, the user wants to show this in a gallery. So for that, we'll add a gallery and filter it by the created by column. Let's complete the app and make it a little pretty. So here is my final app. On the left side, you can see all the upcoming tasks. At the top, you can search the task by task name. In the middle, we have all the things to do. I have 6 tasks assigned for today. And then on the right side, we have total count of the task, 3 pending, 4 completed. And below that, we have a calendar which highlights the due dates. And then at the bottom, we have add a task form. So we can create a new task, add the start date, due date, priority, status, and then hit submit and it will get added. As you can see now 15th day is also highlighted. We have a new task coming up and that's it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow.